tech heads, it's Lauren here from HP, and it is a pleasure to come to you today to bring you the best of what HP have to offer with the x360 14, now with Intel Core Ultra, and of course AI, which is the big keyword for this year. Starting off from a hardware perspective, we have a 1920 by 1200 display. It is fantastic, it is beautiful, she's beauty, she's grace. On the outside though, we have a ton of ports from 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, 2 USB-A, and of course a headphone jack. From the perspective of a keyboard, it is our first iteration of having the Copilot button. Please bear in mind though, this one here is specifically cloud-based, so unless there's Wi-Fi connected, it will not work. Please make sure you connect to the internet. Opening up and going to HP, or my HP specifically, we can take you to a few callouts that will give you all the benefits you could ask for from an AI perspective. Starting off with audio control. It draws in Poly Studio and gives you noise cancellation for both input and output, and of course you've got presets and an equalizer, so you can be the DJ for your own audio life. Whether it sounds good or not is a different story. That one's up to you as to how you really rejig this. Moving into our next key call out here from my HP is the system control for performance control. You've got HP SmartSense. SmartSense adapts to how we as users utilize our PCs to ensure optimized battery life, power, and control. So the PC's performance is tailored to them, which is fantastic. Moving into the actual PC itself, if you click Control Shift Escape and open up Task Manager, then go to performance, you'll actually see the CPU, the memory, the disk, the Wi-Fi, and the GPU. That one's quite normal for most of us. We've already seen this before, but what is new with the Intel Core Ultra range is the integration of the NPU, which is now there to basically take all the heavy load from the CPU and GPU with AI features, and that pushes it into the NPU. How do we feature this? So if we open up the camera, and then draw your eyes, what I recommend here is just have it side by side so you can kind of see how Task Manager operates. So we've got the camera open. As a quick cheeky little plug, it is a 5 megapixel webcam and it looks beautiful. Not that you can tell right now. But open this guy up to the automatic framing, we'll turn on eye contact and then the background effects. And no, the eye contact will not work if your eyes are closed. Now with this one, as you can see, as I start to turn on those AI features, the NPU actually started kicking up. And that is because it's relieving the pressures from the CPU and the GPU and putting it into the NPU. Again, this is your best chance of optimizing battery life. So all you have to do is click those on. You don't have to do anything else. The PC does the rest of the work for you, which is fantastic. I'm just going to switch all of these off so I can showcase as you start to switch those off, your NPU starts to drown down and then will eventually flatline because AI is no longer being utilized. Now, obviously we've covered SmartSense, we've covered our AI noise cancelling, we've covered how to look at the NPU and our camera features using Windows Studio effects. You've obviously got a Copilot button, which is fantastic for basically making your life a hell of a lot easier. Again, please make sure it's connected to the network, but what else can you do? For this particular device being a touchscreen, you can use this for creators, you can use this for optimized all-day usage for workers. It is a fantastic tool for even just like the graphic designers out there. So again, you've got your Canva, you've got CapCut Pro or CapCut for anybody that is staring at TikToks all day, maybe. You can utilize that with this PC, and there are some added benefits with these that actually utilize the NPU. Now, my name is Lauren. This has been the x360 14 with Intel Core Ultra and of course the almighty AI.